everyone, my name is Paria, and in this video I'm going to show you how to easily set up and use these brushes in Blender and ZBrush. For Blender users, I've prepared two separate workflows to make sure everything works smoothly regardless of your software version. Let's open Blender 4.2. Go to the top menu, click File, Append, and navigate to your brush folder. Select the blend file, go into the brush folder, and press A on your keyboard to select all the brushes at once. Make sure to check the Fake User option so Blender saves them with your file, then click Append. Now switch over to Sculpting mode. On the right side panel, under Tool, Brushes, you'll see that all brushes have been added successfully. Simply click on any brush, then click and drag across your 3D mesh to apply it. You can also fine-tune your brush parameters, like adjusting the strength, radius, or fall-off to get the exact effect and depth you want. Now, if you're using Blender 4.3 or newer, the brush system has been updated to use individual asset blend files for the asset browser. To set this up, open Blender 4.3. Go to Edit, Preferences, and open the File Path tab. Under Asset Libraries, click the plus button, find the folder containing your brushes, and add it to your library list. Don't forget to click Save Preferences. Head over to Sculpting mode and you'll see all brushes automatically appear in your asset browser at the bottom of the screen. To keep your workspace clean, you can use the catalog selector to filter brushes by category and easily find what you need. Just select your desired brush, click and drag it onto your model, and start sculpting. All settings remain fully customizable, so you can tweak the intensity and details to suit your workflow. Now let's move on to ZBrush. If you want these brushes to be permanently accessible in your lightbox every time you open ZBrush, you'll need to add them to your installation directory. First, copy ZBrush folder from the pack, right-click on your ZBrush desktop shortcut, and select Open File Location. For ZBrush 2022, navigate to the ZBrushes folder and paste your brush folder inside. Please make sure ZBrush is completely closed while doing this so the software registers the new files. Now open ZBrush and load a simple 3D mesh for testing and increase its subdivision level so you can clearly see the high detail stroke. press comma on your keyboard to open Lightbox. Head to the Brushes tab, locate your folder, and double-click the brush you want. Now, simply click and drag on your model to sculpt. You can also use the Z intensity slider or adjust last setting to fine-tune the depths and strengths of the pattern. If you're using newer maximum versions of ZBrush, the Lightbox folder structure is slightly different. Open the file location as before, but this time go into the Lightbox folder. Open the Brushes directory and paste your folder there. When you launch ZBrush and load your model, your brushes will be waiting for you inside Lightbox under the Brushes tab. Besides the brushes, this pack includes all 40 seamless alphas provided separately in 4K resolution and 16-bit depths in PNG, PSD, and TIFF formats. I've also included high-resolution JPEG previews so you can quickly browse and pick the exact pattern you need, along with a comprehensive step-by-step PDF visual guide to walk you through the setup. Thanks for watching and see you next time.